Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is about brain. We will discuss the structure and parts of brain. Before we discuss about brain, first we will discuss that in which organism brain have. And the answer is animals. And which type of animals? The animals and humans have a nervous system. They have muscles to move around, so they have to organize that movement. So they use brain. Structure of brain. Human brain weighs about 1.5 kg and contains 100 billion nerve cells and connected with each other, making an extremely complex network. The brain receives and sends messages to organs and muscles. The messages are sent as tiny electrical impulses, which speeds up to 100 meters per second. Now, most of the nerves are connected to the brain by spinal cord. Parts of brain. Brain is divided into three main components: the cerebrum, forebrain, cerebellum, midbrain, and the medulla oblongata, that is the hindbrain. Now the cerebrum, largest and complicated part of human brain. It is going to make sense of all the data comes in. There are tons of nerves are connected together, but nerves do not touch each other or one another. There are gap between two nerve cells and messages cross the gap by one neuron to another, and the gap is called synapses. Cerebrum controls your action, behavior, speech, thinking, solving problems, and the making decisions. The cerebrum divided into two halves called cerebral hemisphere. Now the cerebral hemisphere. If we rotate the brain, the cerebrum have two halves called cerebral hemisphere, linked by nerve fibers. One side of the brain connects to the opposite side of the cerebrum, and the connection between the body also. Right side of the cerebrum is more important in artistic and creative tasks, while the left control understanding, reading, and thinking. The next part of is cerebellum. It is found at the back of the head under the cerebrum and means the little brain. The cerebellum keeps the body balanced, movement, and posture, and it coordinates the muscles in running, cycling, and other activities. The other main part is the brain stem. It controls the flow of message between the brain and the rest of the body. It is close to the spinal cord, and the basic body function such as breathing, digestion, consciousness, and whether one is awake or sleepy. The brain stem consists of three main parts, and the basal portion is called medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata controls the breathing and heart rate and maintains the pressure of the body and the body temperature. The medulla oblongata is the lower part or the basal part. Look at the diagram. The three main parts and the basal part is labeled as medulla oblongata. Now, this is all about the brain, the basic parts, and the function in which the brain is involved. Brain connects the nerves to all the body parts. Thank you, students. This is all about the brain. In the next class, inshallah, we will continue at another new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.